Hi guys, welcome back to Rowan Wonders. It's me, Rowan, and today, I'm sorry I haven't done a lot of videos recently. We've been a little bit busy. And if you hear anything in the background, my family's making dinner right now, so that's what it is. Today, I will be showing you guys some slimes I made the other day that are really good. And honestly, I don't really know how I made them so good, but they are, and then I'll show you guys how to make them. So let's get straight on into this video. So I made this slime right here and this slime right here, and you might hear Maddie in the background, so she's over there.
Hello.
Yeah. So I have this slime. This is a blue slime, but it's only blue tinted because I used a green laundry detergent. So at first, when you first get it out, it's a little bit sticky, but you just have to get it used to your hands a little bit first. There we go. And it's a very glossy and thick slime, and it pokes really well. Stretchy. So, yeah. Pretty stretchy as well. So.
Alexa, stop.
And it has some foam beads in it. And I really like the color, even though it was just a white slime. I just added a green laundry detergent. I think I really like the color, even though I didn't purposely make it this color. I really like the color. So anyway, let's keep going. Then we have this slime, which is also blue, but this one is with blue food dye, so it's more blue, as you can probably tell. And it has blue glitter in it. And this one's really thick. This one is really thick and glossy, and I actually like this one a little bit more. It's very stretchy and thick and glossy, and it pokes really well. So let's get on into showing you guys how to make this. So first off, you're going to need your glue. I recommend Elmer's, but if you can't find Elmer's, then you can just use a different glue, but most of the time you're probably going to find Elmer's. Then next you're going to need either you can use borax or contact lens solution and baking soda, but I like to use laundry detergents. So today I'm going to be using Gain. It's tinted green. Then you're going to need a bowl, a mixing utensil, food dye, which is optional. And that's all I'm going to use to make my slime here today. But you can add glitter or pigment if you would like. So let's just start off by pouring in some glue. Oh, also, you're probably going to need a container, so I have one right here. But anyway, we're going to pour in our glue. Just enough because this is going to be the size of your slime, so we don't want too much because it needs to fit inside of your container. And my container is pretty small today, so yeah. Okay, next I'm going to add my food coloring. Today I'm using red, but it actually looks like pink when you put it in the white glue. So there's the food dye. Then I'm going to mix it up until the food dye is all mixed in. So it's like a little pinkish red. So this is the color we came out with. Then next we are going to put in some of our laundry detergent, if that's what you chose to use. And we're just gonna put a little bit of it in your slime, and then we're gonna start mixing, and it should start coming together. Whoop. So mine's already getting a little bit stiffer, which is a good sign. That means it's starting to come together. Now my color is changing a little bit because this has a green tint, but that's okay. It still looks pink. It's definitely getting a little bit goopier, but we're gonna keep adding some in. And we don't want to add too much at a time because then we might accidentally overactivate it. So we're just gonna add little bits. So now at this point, it's like coming off the edges a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my hand, with one hand, because the other one, if I need more activator still, then I need a hand to pour in the activator. So I'm gonna start kneading it with my hands. And it's definitely getting slimy. So I'm gonna add in a little bit more now. So now I'm gonna go in with my other hand actually, and I'm gonna start like really kneading it because it's starting to get very slime textured. Just gotta mix in the gain that I just put in. Okay, so it's definitely getting more of the texture of the two slimes I made yesterday. It's starting to get less sticky, but it still needs a little bit more activator. I'm just gonna put that on there, fold it in, and keep mixing. So, while I'm mixing this, I'm just gonna start stretching it and like kneading it even more because we want it to start like coming off of your hands at this point. And see, it's like coming off of this hand fully, so I just gotta get it off of this hand a little bit. And it probably will still need a little more activator, but it's getting a lot better and less sticky. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the bowl and get the extra activator and slime that's still in there. We can get the slime off the edge. There's just a little bit of slime left in there. There we go. And we're gonna knead in that laundry detergent because there was some in the bowl, so to start getting even more activated. And sometimes if it's sticking to you but you don't want it to, sometimes a good thing to do is like move fast with it. So that's what I like doing. I'm gonna add in a little more activator, but it's now definitely better. It's just a teeny bit sticky still. So I'm gonna add in just a little bit more of my laundry detergent. And after I mix in that laundry detergent, our slime should be done. And yeah. So now that I mix that in, it's actually done. So this is the slime. It's just like the other ones, but a different color, so it's really stretchy.